Hi, today I'm going to show you how I clean up my messy frontend code base and turn into something scalable. Let me show you. This is the pro version of UI layouts, and if you go to the blocks, you'll see all the blocks. So for all these blocks, I'm using a separate array. And if you click any of this, let's say hero section, using a separate array for all these hero blocks. And if you click on this, I'm using another array for the preview and using another array for the code base where I'm using raw loader. I thought I can use import and raw loader at the same time in the same array. So I use separate array for that as well. So that means I'm using tons of different array just showing the preview and code base, right? And whenever I try to add new blocks, so right now I'm working on theme blocks, okay? Then I again have to create new array and again have to update all the existing array that relate to that blocks, right? There's so many things I have to do as a front-end developer. So I just clean all these things and now I'm using only one array. And let me show you how is it look like. This is what I was doing before. Did you see? So this is the base section where I have 3 images. These are all hero blocks. So this array is specifically using for hero blocks. And if I scroll more, you will see others blocks data as well. So this is the file docs where I'm using it. It just show the code base. So I'm using raw loader. What it does, it basically show you the code for a specific file. So I'm targeting this file, so it will show the whole code base inside of this file. And this is another array I'm using. I'm using it for import file. And what I'm doing over here, I'm importing the file and then I'm previewing these the blocks. So there's 2 separate array I'm using it. So now what I have done, right now I'm only using one array where I have the import file and also have the file source. I have also created some helper function. So this is the function I've created, which helps me to get the input data only and also help me to get the data without import file. Also helps me to get the data without files array because sometimes I don't need the files array. So this is the files array where I add all the files. So if you go to there, okay, and click on this and code base, you'll see. So these are the files I'm using for one blocks, right? So this is the array for that. So for all these things, what I have to do, I have to create separate array. But right now it fixed. I don't have to create separate files for the data. I am easily controlling the data flow. This kind of cleanup makes your front-end code easier to scale, easier to debug, and it's really enjoy to work on it. So yeah, that's it. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to explore UI layouts. I'm bringing lots of things in UI layouts and I'm launching free blocks in UI layouts. So you can explore this type of blocks and it's all free. So don't forget to explore all these blocks and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.